Well, a little impromptu adventure today. I was flying my drone while I was grilling lunch, getting some shots of the ski valley, and I had it in sport mode, which takes off the obstacle avoidance, and I wrecked it in some trees up into those trees and mountains up there. So right now I'm walking up that way, going to see if I can find the drone. The drone with its controller has a way to find it. Just basically puts a pin in the map where the drone is, and depends on how far up it is in the mountains and trees. Just based on the image on this, it looks like it's upside down on the ground, not like stuck up in a tree or anything. So if I can get to it, and if it's not like near any cliffs or anything, I can recover this thing. So here we go. I'm gonna see if I can get this drone back. It's a little hiking trail right here. I'm gonna start walking up this way, and then kind of see if I can veer off to it. I'm gonna have to start bushwhacking here in a minute. Okay, off the trail, and then I'm just kind of climbing straight up the side of the mountain here and trying to keep my arrow pointed at the drone's last known location. It's not connecting anymore, but that's where the drone was pinging the signal last. So I'm gonna keep climbing up here. What's nice about this is that I do have live music from the ski valley going on, so I'm kind of jamming out as I go here. Making some progress towards it. Unfortunately, going up is not possible in this spot. Okay, so the map on the controller doesn't have any satellite image. I guess I have to download that beforehand, but it does give me the coordinates, which it's taking me to, which is its last known recording location. So I actually take those coordinates there and plug that into Google Maps here, and then I'm going to hit search. Oh, I forgot to put the negative, because that's not where we're going. Okay, I entered it wrong the first time, so it's 36.59143 north by negative 105.45116. That's what we got there. So search that. There we go. Looks like I need to keep coming around this way, and then I can go up, which would be a lot easier. Alright, I'm getting super close to at least that pin right there. Maybe just outside those trees. I'm right around there. Maybe like less than 100 feet or so. Alright, right on top of the thing. It's gotta be around here. Ah, there it is. Found it. Woo! Dang, that was a hike. Obviously hit one of these pine trees and just tumbled down crashed right here on the ground here. So, man, I got it. That is awesome. But I think what really worked was using the GPS coordinates on my Google Maps. Just because I didn't really have the some of the maps downloaded, I couldn't really navigate well, like past like some of these like rocks that are like cliffs that kind of go straight up like that. So I just got it punched in the coordinates to my Google Maps and brought me right to the thing. So there it is. Now we got to come back down. All right, let's see if I did much damage to it. Camera on it looks good. It's got some twigs and stuff in there. Props look okay. It's got some scuffs now, but yeah, opens up just fine. Looks like it's gonna keep flying okay. Just needs a little wipe down. There you go, little guy. You had a rough day. Tuck you in nice for the ride down. There you go. That's a good view of the ski valley and how far I climbed up to get to the drone. Woo! Alright, made it back down to the parking lot. Took me about an hour and 5 minutes. About 1 mile total distance, and yep, total ascent up was 486 feet, which I was flying the drone from my spot a little higher up than this location, and the max altitude on that is 400, and I was flying it at 400 feet. So if you're gonna crash in the side of the mountain at max altitude, that's about how high up you're gonna end up climbing too. So, all right, glad I got it back.